How to add a link on your TikTok bio. Now, this process is very quick and easy as long as that feature is available on your TikTok app. Now, access your TikTok application and on the lower right portion of your screen, head over to Profile. And then in here, you should be able to see this option here that says Edit. Now, tap on that. And then below bio, you should be able to add any links that you like. It's either from Instagram, from YouTube, or from Twitter. Now, if this option right here is not available for you, then just head to the TikTok customer support at the top right portion of your screen, which is going to be the three lines, and then head over to settings and privacy. Now, scroll down a bit till you find support and about and choose on report a problem. And here, you just have to choose on account and profile, and then choose on editing profile. Now, choose on other, scroll all the way down till you find no, and this will just automatically route you to the TikTok customer support if you tap on need more help. And here you just have to explain that, hey TikTok, please allow my profile or enable linked on my bio. And that's it. That's how you add linked on your TikTok bio.